welcome to my channel. Today I have a Ryderwear haul for you and it's all about the new Animal Instincts collection, which I've got right here. So I've got four sets I think to go through today, so might as well just get first off. I've got the purple set, which I've got the left print bra and the plain bottoms. You can get it both plain and leopard print, but I went for the plain for the bottoms and then leopard print for the tops because I've not really got any purple. For like all the Ryderwear stuff, I get size small and everything. I could probably size down in the sports bra, but I don't like really tight sports bras, so I just stick to a small because I prefer it to have like some sort of give, because I just don't like it being dead tight. Bottoms are quite true to size. I'm gonna size small in everything. The seamless collection, I think I could get an extra small because they feel quite big made, but these ones and just my normal size, they've got the scrunch bottom effect, which is flattering. I think that could flatter anyone, to be honest. And yeah, so this is the purple, which is very pretty and I really like it. So we'll move on to other colours. So this is the black, which I am loving, which, as you know, I don't really wear too much black, but it's actually so pretty. Like, really liking it. It's really cute. It's got the detail across here. It's got this little cutout bit, which is cute. It's adjustable straps, which is ideal. I kind of need to tighten them up a little bit, but it's really, material is like the softest stuff ever felt, ever. Like so soft. You just wear it all day. It's like so much room in it. So that. This is the grey, which I think I really can't decide which one's my favourite, to be honest. Could be the grey, to be honest. It just looks nice with it. I think it looks nice on any skin tone, to be honest. I've got tan on, but it's so pretty. And again, it's so soft. It's got the little cutout detail. This feels a wee bit more stretchy than the orange one, which I've already worn, which I'll try on last. But it's like so nice, the material. Oh, it's just, let's get a little, oh, I managed to get makeup on it, of course I did. Also got the plain grey leggings, which have the scrunch bottom and just a plain wee Ryderwear bit at the side. So I really got those ones as well, just go with the wee sports bra. Okay, so maybe the orange is my favourite. I just think that is a stunning colour. It's like burnt orange with like a lighter orange through it. It's like stunning. Like, cannot stop. It would go really nice with my white neck ones, which I think I've probably been on about the whole time since I picked it. It was like so pretty. It's just so comfy. I could wear it all day, every day. It's cute. So guys, that's the end of the haul. This is a lot, by the way. She decided that she wanted to join in, as she does with everything, don't you? You also have to be involved. So that's the end of the haul. Hope you enjoyed. If you've got any questions, just pop them below, and I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe and then turn on the wee notifications for when I get around to posting another video, if I do, which I'll try, but we'll see how long this takes me to edit. So thanks for watching, and hope it's not too painful.